Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Grok app not working. If the Grok app is not opening, loading responses, signing in or keeps crashing, you need to try this troubleshooting step. First, check your internet connection, go to the notifications bar and make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or the mobile data connection. You can also switch the network or you can simply toggle off and toggle on to your Wi-Fi or the mobile data if the app is not responding, or you can also restart the app. Once you open the Grok, you need to completely close the Grok app and reopen it again. This can fix temporary glitches and the loading issues. Or you can also restart your device. A quick restart can refresh system services and resolve many app related problems as well. And make sure your phone or tablet is running to the latest operating system version available. Or you can also check for any of the app updates and go to the App Store and look for the available updates and install any available updates for the Grok app. And that is it. This step usually fixes the Grok app issues, including loading errors, crashes, and sign-in problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.